Hello friends, you are welcome to my channel Meal Factory by Khushi. Today recipe is shark fish scramble. In Tamil we call it as sura fish puttu. I have taken 1 kg of nicely washed shark pieces. For making the scramble, we need to boil the fish first to remove the skin. So for that I am taking some water. Once water is nicely hot, put the fish pieces in the water. Once it boils from one side, turn the fish pieces and let it boil for 10 more minutes. Fish got nicely boiled and it becomes soft. We can off the gas now and remove the fish from water. We need to wash the fish twice. For fish scramble, we cannot put the fish with the skin, so we need to remove the skin like this. You can see I have removed the skin for all the fish pieces. Shark fish have one middle bone which we need to remove like this and remove the excess water in this way. We have removed the middle bone and excess water from the fish, and now we can scramble it like this. Now add 1 spoon of turmeric, salt as per taste, 1 small spoon of black pepper. Mix it like this and keep it aside. Take a kadai and put some oil. Once oil is hot, put the mustard seeds, 1 spoon urad dal, chopped 10 garlic pods, 1 spoon ginger paste. Fry it nicely till the raw smell goes off. Add few curry leaves. Once garlic turns light brown, we can add the onion. I have taken 4 medium size onion. Saute it nicely till the raw smell goes off and onion turn little brown. Now I am adding 2 green chilies nicely chopped. Saute it nicely. You can see onion turns light brown. Now we can add the scrambled fish in this. Mix it nicely and fry it till the fish raw smell goes off. Close it with lid and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Open the lid and check it's nicely cooked. Now we can garnish it with coriander leaves. Our fish scramble or suraput is ready to serve. Do try this at your home and let us know your review. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We'll see you again with some wonderful recipes. Until then, take care guys. Bye from Khushi. Eat healthy. Stay